Yeah, Jesus, we're all coughing. Holy
Keep
shit,
going.
dude.
Or I just keep getting a little louder. To the point where everyone's just. Oh
my god!
Oh, fuck.
Can you imagine if Rudy woke up to that shit?